I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Groundhogg. Select a form. Contact create. Next. Now search and select Action OneHash CRM. Give here the API URL. And give here the API key and API secret key. So go to your OneHash CRM dashboard. Go to Setting. Scroll down and click on API Access. Generate keys. Copy the secret API keys and API key and paste it on integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in Actions. You can use it by checking the box. Also, you can use conditional logic for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to Groundhogg dashboard and contact. Add new. Create contact. Contact created successfully. Go to the OneHash CRM contact list. And you can see that the data came successfully in OneHash CRM. Thanks for watching.